What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Graccey on my YouTube channel. I thank you so much for those ones who come back here to watch my channel again. For the subscribers, for the viewers, I thank you so much. Thank you so much again for coming back to watch my channel. I'm very much happy that you have not left me alone. You are like my family here, because you see that you support me here from the village. When I upload my video, you are there just to support me, to view me from here at the village. I'm very much happy. Thank you so much for coming back here again. So today we are going to prepare ugali, a small ugali from finger millet and some cassava, some mixture of this ugali. This food, I mean, is given to visitors. When you have visitors like guests who come to your home that have never come to your home even a single day, they have finished like years they have not visited you. So this is the best food here in the village that we give our visitors, so that when they go to their homes they look very happy. They say that we have eaten nice food from the village here. So we're gonna go and start the cooking. As you can see here, it's around the time now is noon, as you can see, and that one we are going to cook it for lunch. I'm going to prepare it for lunch, as you can see here. So we go and put the fire on. Actually, a long time ago they used to use a pot like this one for cooking the ugali. They never had sufurias. If you had sufurias, they are from mud. So we're gonna use this one for cooking the ugali. Now we're gonna put the fire on. There is some chicken. Now we put a pot and we put some water. Here you see. Then we shall leave it to boil. As it boils, then we shall cook. This is the water and the fire is on. Here there are some chickens. We have already closed them in because people are complaining of that they are eating their food. So that's why they are inside. You're gonna hear the noise, but I'm very much sorry. This is how they are. So we cover with the lid and then we wait it to boil. That is it. Actually here the water is already boiled, and this is the unga that I'm going to use. The flour, I mean the flour that I'm going to use. So we put the flour. So about the roast, and this is the cooking stick that I'm going to use. So we leave it to boil and then we shall stir. It's all ready, and then I shall add the unga again, and then I shall stir. Sorry about the roast. See guys, now it is ready. It's ready now. If it says shh, shh, that means it is ready. As you can see here. Hope you're enjoying my video here. I'm talking live from the village here. Just support me here, cooking with fire and fire good here. I am really enjoying this village here. You don't tarmac so much. You walk randomly from the morning up to the time that you want to. If you want to relax, you can relax. That is it. We are being blessed here, so we wanna enjoy this food here. Hope you enjoy my feed. If you could have been here, we could have shared and feel the taste of the heartbeat of this ugali here. Yeah. Now this is the food here. You can see how it is very lovely, and this is my water here. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Sorry. And then let's demolish the food here. This is beans. Actually, this is being eaten with the beans. This is the beans here, and this is the ugali here. So we demolish this. We should demolish all this. Wow. Remember, this food is being given to people who have diabetic. They usually eat such a kinds of food. This is what they are advised to have food here. So I'm here. I'm just down the tree. As you can see here, I'm surrounded by trees here. Today I am blessed. I can eat outside. I'm very much happy. I am just enjoying. This is the village food here. People enjoy having it on Christmas. This is the really village traditional ugali that is from the cassava and the finger millet. Okay. Wow. We're gonna demolish everything. Demolish Africa, Karibu Kenya, we eat ugali. Lovely. Hope you are enjoying my video here. I know you have never seen me eating like such a kind. So here in the village we are being blessed. We love eating. That's it. Ugali every hour. I'm very much happy whoever comes here to watch my channel again. Kindly subscribe to my channel and give some comments. Leave some comments down there if you have ever eaten ugali with beans. It is very lovely, very tasty, very delicious. You're gonna enjoy it. Thank you so much for coming back here, all my subscribers, my viewers. I thank you so much. Hope you are enjoying my video. Click the bell so that if I upload another video, you may find and you start watching. Thank you so much. Ciao ciao, bye. Thank you. Let's meet in another video as we continue with this move. Thank you so much. Bye bye.